Hello. Hello all. I am Dr. Prash Ranabal. In this class, we'll mainly focus on deterministic finite automata. In the previous class, we have already discussed about different types of finite automata like DFA, NFA, epsilon NFA, Mean machine, Moore machine, etc. From this class, in this class, we'll mainly discuss the deterministic finite automata. Okay. The definition of what is the definition of deterministic finite automata is it is a finite automata in which from each and every state on every input symbol exactly one transition should exist. Okay, this is the definition. It is a finite automata in which from each and every state on every input symbol exactly one transition should exist. This is a very important point. Exactly one transition should exist. This is the definition of actually deterministic. Deterministic means exactly one transition should exist. Later we'll discuss what is the meaning of this definition with the help of one example. Okay. Now we'll discuss the formal definition of deterministic finite automata. The formal, how to construct the deterministic finite automata. Formal definition. Formal definition of DFA. The formal definition of DFA is it consists of 5 tuples. It consists of 5 tuples, right? 5 tuples like Q, summation, del, Q0, F. The formal definition of deterministic finite automata in general consists of 5 tuples: Q, summation, del, Q0, F. So what is the meaning of Q? Here Q equals to finite number of states. Summation is the input alphabet. Del is the transition function. Del is the transition function. The definition of del equal to Q into summation to Q. Okay. Next one is the Q0. Q0 is the initial state. F is the set of final states. Okay. Q is the finite number of states. Summation is the input alphabet. Del is the transition function. Del means Q2 summation Q into summation to Q. Q0 is the initial state, F is the set of final states. This is called as the formal definition of DFA. Okay. Next point is acceptance mechanism of DFA. Acceptance mechanism of DFA. Okay. What is the definition of acceptance mechanism of DFA? By reading the complete string, from left to right, means the end of the string. From left to right means the end of the string. If the DFA enters into the final state, then the string is accepted, otherwise it is rejected. Now we understand all the definition through one example. Okay. One. One question: design a DFA that accepts all strings as substring as B. Means this DFA accepts all strings, the substring as BB for the input alphabet, summation equal to AB. Okay, this is my input alphabet, this is my DFA. The DFA accept all strings as substring as BB. For example, means suppose A B B A, it is a string. Okay, this string is accepted or rejected. This string is a valid string or invalid string. Now we'll see. Means for my question, in this question, substring as BB. Okay, this string contains substring as BB. Yes or no? Yes. So this one is a valid string. Suppose AB, this string is a valid string. Okay, AB, there is no substring. There is no substring as BB in this string. So it is a invalid string. Suppose one more example is A B B. This string is valid or invalid? Yes, this string is valid because it contains substring as BB. Okay, hope all of you understand what is the meaning of substring as BB. Okay, now we'll design based on this substring as BB. Based on this substring as BB, we'll design the DFA. Okay, first we'll understand what is the meaning of all definitions, then we'll design the DFA. Just understand. This is Q0 state, this is Q1 state, this is Q2 state. Okay, just do it, then I will explain what is the meaning of this. This is B, this is A, this is B, this is A comma B. Okay, this is one of the DFA. First, try to understand what is the definition of DFA using this figure. The first definition, the definition of DFA, it is a finite automata in which from each and every state on every input symbol exactly one transition should exist. From each and every state on every input symbols exactly one transition should exist. See here, what is the meaning of this? Here, from each and every state, this Q0, Q1 and Q2, here the states are like, here's the states are here, Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0, Q1, Q2 are states. Q0 is the initial state. Q0 is my initial state. Initial state. How to recognize this initial state? We just write this arrow. We just give this arrow. This arrow means this is called initial state. Suppose this is my initial state, means we can mark this mark arrow mark. We can mark as arrow mark. Okay. Final state Q2 is the final state. Here Q2 is my final state. Final state. Why it is called final state? We can mark final state as like this. Q2 means double circle. Double circle means it is a final state. This one is called initial state. Initial state means just arrow mark. Final state means this is my final state. Final state means just double circle. Final state means double circle. Initial state means just arrow mark. Okay. So what is the definition? From each and every state exactly. From each and every state. Each and every state, it is on every input symbols. Only one transition should exist. What is my input symbol is here? Input symbol is A and B. Input symbol is A and B. See here, this state, Q0 state, Q0 state, Q1 state, Q2 state. Q0 states reads A, Q0 state reads A, and Q0 state reads B. Yes or no? Yes. So check Q1 state reads A and B or not. Q1 state reads A and Q2 states reads B. Okay. Again check Q2 states. Yes, Q2 states reads A and Q2 states reads B. A comma B. So what is the definition of DFA? From each and every state. From each and every state. on every input symbol. Every input symbols means here A and B. Every input symbol, exactly one transition should exist. Means Q0 state reads A and B. Exactly reads A and B. Q1 state reads A and B. Q2 state reads A and B. This is called deterministic finite automata. If any state you will read, suppose more means only suppose reads, suppose if Q0 states reads only A, here only A means it will not read B. That means it is not a DFA. It is not a DFA. For example, like suppose Q0, Q1, Q2. If it is Q0A, this is my initial state, and this is A, this is B, this is my final state, this is A comma B, right? Here, see here, is this a DFA or not? Is this a DFA or not? Because Q0 state only reads A, Q1 state reads B and A, B. Q2 state reads AB, but Q0 reads only A. Don't read here. Q0 state does not read B. So it is not a DFA. It is not a DFA. Hope all of you understand what is the definition of DFA. Okay, now we'll understand what is the meaning of formal definition. The formal definition. The formal definition, it consists of 5 tuples: Q, summation, del, Q0, F. Now we'll draw the same figure is here. Q0 is the initial state, Q1 and Q2 is my final state. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A comma B. Here it consists of 5 tuples, but first one is the Q. Q is a finite number of states. Means count how many number of states in this DFA. This is my DFA because every state is exactly all transitions on means on input alphabets. Okay, Q0 means finite number of states. Q, here Q equal to finite number of states. Finite means Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay, next is the input alphabets. Here the next one is the summation. Summation means this is called input alphabet. How many number of input alphabets is here? A and B. How many? A and B. This is A comma B. Next one, later we'll discuss about the transition function. Next one, the Q0. Here is the initial state. Here is the initial state Q0. Q0 is the initial state. Initial state. F is the set of final states. Here final state is Q2. F equals to Q2 because final state is here in this DFA is Q2. What is the transition function? Try to understand what is the meaning of transition function. Transition function is Q into summation to Q. Means how? Here Q0 reads A. Q0 means this is state. State will read the input symbol and goes to again state. Means This is my state. This is input alphabet. This is state. State will read the input alphabet. State will read the input alphabet and goes to state. Here Q0, see here, Q0 reads A and goes to again Q, means suppose Q0 reads A, goes to Q0. Similarly, Q0 reads B, Q0 reads B, goes to Q1. Q0 reads B, goes to Q1. Similarly, Q1 reads A, goes to Q0. Q1 reads A, goes to Q0. Q1 reads B, goes to Q2. Q1 reads B, goes to Q2. Similarly, Q2 reads A, goes to Q2. Q2 reads A, goes to Q2. Q2 reads B, goes to Q2. That is the transition function. Transition function means which state will read a input symbol and goes to the next state. Here Q0 reads A, goes to Q0. Q0 reads B, goes to Q1. Q1 reads A, goes to Q0. Q1 reads B, goes to Q2. Q2 reads A, goes to again Q2. Q2 reads B, goes to Q2. Okay, hope all of you understand the formal definition of DFA. What is the meaning of 5 tuples? Q. Q means here Q. Q means the total number of states in the given DFA. Summation. Summation means input alphabets. The input alphabets in the given DFA is A and B. Del. Del means transition function. Hope all of you understand the transition function. The transition function means state will read input alphabets and goes to states. And Q0 is the initial state. Initial state is in this DFA, the initial state is Q0. F means set of final states. In this given DFA, my final state is Q2. Okay. This is the DFA. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt, you can ask me through the comment box. Okay. Don't worry about the DFA. In the upcoming classes, we'll design more number of DFAs. You will clear in this the upcoming classes about the DFA. Okay. So try to understand what is the meaning of acceptance mechanism. What is the meaning of acceptance mechanism of DFA? By reading, what is the definition? By reading the complete string. By reading the complete string from left to right, the end of the string, if the DFA enters into the final state, then the string is accepted, otherwise it is rejected. Okay, what is the meaning? Here okay. Okay, let's understand through the example. What is my this is my DFA. Design a DFA that accepts all strings as substrings as BB for the input alphabet A and B. Okay, this is my valid string, yes or no? Because it contains substrings as BB, ABBA. ABBA is a valid string. ABBA valid string. So what is the definition? By reading the complete string from left to right, the end of the string, if the DFA enters into the final state, then the string is accepted, otherwise it is rejected. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, A, B, B, A is a value string. Always remember one thing, the initial state will read the first input alphabet. This is my string. Q0 will read this string. Q0 will read this string. Q0 will read this string. Q0 reads the first alphabet of the given string. Q0 read A, then goes to Q0. Q0 read A. Q0 first. I am in the first state. First state means initial state. Q0 read A of the given string A B B A. Then Q0 read A goes to Q0. Okay. Then what is my state next state? Q0. What is the remaining string is here? Sorry. What is the remaining string here? B B A. Okay. Q0 reads B. Q0 reads B. Q0 reads B. Goes to Q1 state. Goes to Q1 state. Okay. The next state is Q1. The remaining state is here B A. Okay. So Q1 read B. Q1 read B. Goes to Q2. Q1 read B. Goes to Q2 state. Q1 reads B. Goes to Q2 state. Next, Q2 state. The remaining string is here A. The remaining string is here A. Okay. Q2 reads A. Q2 reads A. Again goes to Q2 reads A. Goes to Q2. Q2 reads A. Goes to Q2. So Q2 is the final state. So Q2 is the final state. So the given string A B B A is accepted. The given string is accepted. Means by reading, what is the definition? By reading the complete string from left to right. By reading the complete string from left to right, if the DFA enters into the final state, yes, Q2 is my final state. Yes, Q2 is my final state. So the given string is accepted. Okay. Now we'll check one of the invalid string. Now we'll check one of the invalid string. The invalid string is here. The initial state is Q0. The invalid string is here AB, AB. Okay, here Q0 read the first input alphabet. Q0 read A. Here Q0 read A goes to Q0. Q0 read A. Okay. Next state is the Q0 state. Q0 just write Q0 state is here. The remaining string is B A B. The remaining string is here B A B. Q0 reads B. Q0 reads B. Q0 reads B. Goes to Q1 state. Goes to Q1 state. Then the next state is here Q1 state. Okay. B already gone. Then the next state is, then the next input alphabets. The remaining string is AB. Q1 read A. Q1 read A. Q1 read A means goes to Q0, goes to Q0. Then Q0, the next state is Q0. Q0 read B. Q0 read B. Okay. Q0 read B goes to Q1. Okay. This is the end of the input string. This is the end of the input string. But Q1 is not final state. It is a non-final state. Non-final state. So the input string is not accepted. So the input string means AB is not accepted. Is not accepted by the following, by the given deterministic finite automata. Hope all of you understand what is the mechanism of acceptance mechanism, what is the formal definition and the definition of PFA. In the next upcoming classes, we'll discuss and also design more number of PFAs. Okay. Thanks for watching.